Hello and welcome to Bonsai Therapy. Today we're going to be working on two little trees. This is the first one, it's an oak tree. This was just a little stump that I dug from my front yard actually. We're going to be removing some of these branches. There's like two branches coming from the same spot right here, like growing inside, that I'm going to remove. The first one is this one here. Gonna come out. And then there's another one. Actually, this one I can keep it, but I'm going to I'm going to trim it a little bit. I'm just going to get this leaf that is pointing outside, and I'm just going to trim it a little higher than that. So when this tree grows, when this leaf grows, it grows this way outside of the branch and not inside of it. There is like another one coming up, like a little one just coming up over there that I'm going to remove also. It's actually coming from that branch that we just trimmed. So this side, it's clear now. So as soon as this leaf here takes off, we're gonna have like spreading to the sides, and that's what I want for now. Here we got some branches growing too low on the tree, so I'm going to just remove them. This is just the camera is on the not on the best spot, so I'm just going to remove this one, and let's go around with it and see what else we can find. There's another one coming down here. I'm going to take it too. So it's just like some cleanup right here. This branch is fine. It's growing strong out of the trunk, so it doesn't really bother me that much. That's what I want. I want the branches to grow away from the trunk. Now there's another one here that I'm going to remove also because it's too low on the trunk, and we really don't need that. So this one is taken care of also. This is the one that we were looking at before. It's actually coming too low on the trunk, and I'm going to take it also here. My MS giving me trouble to reach whatever it's there. So we got two branches coming out of on this side, which is fine, because one is going to go one way, the other is going to go the other way. Maybe I just do that right now. I'm just going to trim this one here, so this way I will try to get this leaf to develop. Okay, right here I'm going to try to let this leaf here like develop into a new branch. I'm just going to take this one out because it's growing inside. Right there, I think this one might be a little too low. So that's it. That's the job for today for this tree. So that's pretty much it for this little one. We got like one little branch coming this way, and we have two more coming this way. They might seem that they're conflicting with each other, but not really. I want this leaf here to form a branch going this way, and right here I'll see how it goes, and later we kind of deal with it as the tree grows. I want to cut too much because I want to keep some green stuff on this little stump. It's a nice stump. Sometimes you find cool little things in your yard. Now the second tree for today is just really one little cut, like nothing more than that. This is like a little Picea glauca, and I just found this thing in the backyard. Probably cutting that I did from another tree that I just threw away, and he ended up catching up and just grew really fine. And just for you to see how well these trees are growing, this one here was actually a cutting from this one. This is just one cut that we're going to do on this tree. So we see like there's the trunk here, there's another There's a branch coming out this way. Then we got this one going straight up right here, and we got the one in the middle here that I really don't want. I don't think it's adding anything to the mix here, so I'm just going to remove it. That's pretty much it. So we just took this one out. If I stick it in the soil, it's going to grow. Let me see if I can get it close to you. So we got the little trunk. We got rid of the stuff that was right in the middle, and we got like this branch on this side, and it's got the main branch on this side here. So yeah, this is the job that we did with these two small trees for today. Working with your bonsai doesn't have to be like a big task. Sometimes these little tasks are as fulfilling as the big ones, and it's a nice thing that we can actually follow the development of these trees. If I had a lot of trees, probably I wouldn't be able to be on top of the trees as I am now. But being on top of the trees also means that you cannot do too much. We just have to give the trees time to develop and time to grow, or else we're gonna end up killing the trees. So having a small amount of trees has some work of its own. So you have to realize that you have to leave the trees alone also, so let them grow and develop. So that's it. That was like a fast little video for today. You guys have a good day and enjoy and stay sharp. I'll see you next time.